Magandang umaga. It's already almost 10 na. So, how come like hazy? Or is it my specs?
Maybe your specs.
You can help me clean, please. Yeah,
Seriously?
kanina pa kami gising kanina pa ako gising mga 30 minutes ago. Kaso nag-heyday ako. Yeah, Baba's here already. There. Hi, baby. Housework.
Okay, a bit tired.
Didn't sleep.
Just nap.
You nap, 10 minutes?
15 minutes.
Only. Maybe later you need to go, or you can go haircut already. Oh?
Okay.
Your hair like puff already. Oh?
Oh.
Yeah, then this is our breakfast. Porridge. Chicken porridge. Limited yung breakfast ko kasi yung marami akong kinakain na yung usual na breakfast ko. Nasusuka ako. What's that, baby? So smelly.
I go far.
Ito yung breakfast niya. Hindi ko bet yung amoy. Carrot cake.
Fried carrot cake.
Ulit. Mine is porridge. Iniisip ko nga kung ano iinumin ko. Gusto ko ng hot drink. Pero hindi ko alam kung ano. Ay! Inaantok pa rin ako. Anong oras na ako natulog kagabi na naman? But yeah. Are you going to sleep after this? Or you just going to wait until meet Elgin?
After meet Elgin, then I'll sleep.
Yun yung sinasabi ko kagabi. Yung friend niya, tsaka yung financial advisor niya, or namin. Oh, baby.
Friend from financial advisor.
The one you meet from army, right? Kaya matagal na silang magkaibigan. Pumunta din yun sa, he also attended our wedding, right? RROM. Yung group nila dun sa army, yung nila. Pumunta rin sila dun nung kasal namin. So, yeah. Kain tayo. Baby. My busy baby.
Messi.
Hey, messaging. There. Show, baby.
LED lights. There.
So this will be the LED lights for our house.
The cove light. The cove light. The LED strips.
So the packaging. I see the inside.
Oh. So like that is a roll.
Like film, for the movies. Oh.
Nice, huh?
There's owl. And Baka and Uno. Hello! Pupunta na kami sa mall to meet Abby's friend. You're so fat. Hindi ko kasi yung phone, kaya masyadong zoom. Kasi umuulan and it's raining. So nice to sleep, oh.
Yeah, no. Oh no, it's getting heavier.
Okay. Maglakad muna kami. We're here at McDonald's. This is our meeting place with Elgin every time.
Now energy level low.
Yeah, because he haven't slept off from night shift. So yeah, I ordered a caramel macchiato. But it's been a long time since I have my coffee, right?
Yeah.
So yeah, let's see if I'll be awake later.
Then some kid run here and bang the head and boom.
Crazy. Anyhow, and then look what we have.
Cinnamon milk.
Cinnamon milk. Try, baby.
Oh.
Yeah. So kain tayo. What you order for yourself,
I never order anything.
You share. You still sleepy,
I haven't.
What you order for? You wanted Coke, right?
The guy want Coke.
Yeah. Okay.
So I'll go and get some Coke and should I get some French fries?
nuggets, then you share with him.
Again chicken. I've been chickening for the whole week, you know. Like,
Okay lah, then buy fries.
wait, let me check it out. Oh, I got wings.
Ayan, tapos na kami limit yung Penny Dream. So, we're here at the Express at $10 lang. So, lagyan ng $10 din sa machine. Tapos ibigyan kanila ng card. Yes. Manonood ako ngayon ng The Orange is the New Black. Ito yung bagong season na. So yeah, natutulog na si Baba. Ano yun? 3 almost 3 na. So yeah, nagmun na ako. I don't know if hindi ko alam kung lalabas kami later. Umulan pa rin kayang dilim. So let's see. Hello, 7:30 na and we're on the way to hunt for lechon. Hopefully, may mahanap kami. Punta kami dyan sa may Ampas Sirang Food. Are we going to take public transport, baby? Yeah, kasi mas mas walang parking lot. Ayun si baby, hi baby. Then, nakakatawa kasi itong suot ko, I'm wearing this short. Tapos ito is, one piece na yung sa backless sa likod. Kasi hindi na magkasya kasi diba, malaki yung chin ko. So ngayon naging parang na siya. Hanggang dito lang below. Pero okay lang kasi magamit as short. So, yeah. Oh yeah, I'm wearing Forever 21 from head to both Forever 21. Then here's Baba. Still drizzling, right? Umuulan, umaambon pa rin. So, nakakatamad. Pero nag-crave kasi kami ng lechon. Baska is inside my bag. So, let's go. Dito na kami sa may bus stop. So, let's see. Number 1. 80 daw. Yan. Yung house namin malapit lang dito. Itong block na to yung susunod lang. So yeah. So antayin muna natin yung bus. Dito na kami sa bus after 5 years. Yung chan ko nag-growl na. May tummy growling with me.
Mine also.
Gutom na kami kung kailan kami nag-public transport.
And we got to take the bus because slower, right? So maybe 10 minutes, then cross the road later.
Tapos pagdating namin dun, close na pala. Oh.
Huh?
Suddenly we reach there, then close already.
Don't mind, I got a lot of food.
Bawang lechon. Then, luckily bukas pa sila. Wawa's Lechon and Grill. So, mamaya pakita ko yung menu. Bye-bye. So, this is the lechon. Luckily, this is still open. Baby, are you going to give me this pot?
You have also.
So, yeah. Mukhang masarap. $10 each. Pero yung serving niya, malaki. So, kain. Baby?
Kasi,
ito yung shop. Ubus na sila. Ayan. Vlog daw natin si Kuya. There's the lechon. Ayan. Doon sila nag-grill.
ay,
Vlog. Hi, Kuya. Sama yung Coco. I love you daw. We're having 7-Up. We drink so much soft drinks today, oh.
Is it?
Yeah lang. Just now also Coke. But little bit only.
Half only lang.
Yeah lang. Kumakain pa rin kami. We're back home.
lumabas lang kami para kumain. And it's already 9 o'clock. Grabe hindi ako makahinga sa busog. The serving quite a lot, The meat quite a lot, $10 each. Pero madami yung meat. And tsaka masarap talaga siya. And nag-train na kami pa uwi kasi walking distance din lang yung train station din. Right, baby?
About, I think like less than 5 minutes.
Less than 5 minutes.
2-3 minutes.
Tapos isang stop lang kasi yung Kovan dito sa amin. So, yeah. Then, I bought this magazine. Actually, sa online ako nag-order ng magazines. But, hindi kasi ako nakasubscribe sa itong brand na to, Cleo. So, wala, bet ko lang si Katy Perry kasi. And, ang cute. Meron silang free Vaseline lotion and Biore Aqua Rich water gel. So, yeah. Grabe, hindi ako makahinga. I'm so full. Are you full, baby? Huh?
Struggling a bit.
So, yeah.
Hey.
Oh my goodness, look at that.
My braso is so fat. My arm. Ouch!
Oh, sorry. So,
It's so sexy.
okay, good night. What? Suddenly, Suddenly. Oh.
I see, I'm so distracted with this thing. What commercial is this? Sunplay. Yeah, we're going to say goodnight. It's already 11. Then I need to edit the video. So, yeah. Tomorrow. What is our plan for tomorrow?
I don't know. We shall see tomorrow.
Tomorrow is Jurong Day
Yeah, gotta go buy some stuff again.
for the house.
Okay, good night.
See you tomorrow.